Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January 2021 Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So January's box, jingle, 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 just arrived. That threw me off when I shook it. I'm like, there's something jingling in here. So this box is January 2021. Let's go ahead and see what this month brings. I'm super, super excited to see what we get. Hopefully, it's a good one. So let's get this opened. And of course, the card is still on the bottom. Wouldn't be anywhere else. So let me dump all this shit out. Okay, so the card at the very bottom of the box. That is what it looks like for this month, and the theme is going to be Book of Spells. And this month's monthly mantra, the spells I cast create magic of the highest vibration. So that is this month's monthly mantra. And then on this side of the card, we'll go over all of the different items and give you pricing. So then I can add up the price at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and start and see what we got going on. Where is that jingle jingle thing? Oh, the first thing that I pick up is right here. And look, I see a moon on the top. Oh my goodness. It's in a really nice like velvety fill of a bag. So that's really cute. So let's get this out. Ooh, there's something else in here too. Hold on. So it's an altar bell. That's the paper that's inside. And it says, all is clear, pure energy surrounds me. And that's just what's on the back of it. And here is the only thing, I just wish it wasn't gold, but that's what everything is. So I'm just gonna have to just appreciate the fact that there's moons on it and just get over the fact that it's gold. I don't know, but it's super, super cute. It has moons on it. There's little graphics. It looks like there's mushrooms, hands, hearts, question marks. There's all kinds of little things going on. Oh, that's not a question mark. That looks like it's like maybe sage burning. Let me see if you can see that. Looks like maybe sage burning and the smoke is going up, because it's definitely not a cigarette. So it's gotta be sage. There's like a crystal ball and stars. That is just really, really cute. All of the different graphics that is on this altar bell. And there is that. And there's the top. That is so cute. That's gonna look really cute in my little collection, just sitting there with all of my other moon things. How cute. So this right here, it says altar bell. This is a brass plated stainless steel bell. And it says its harmonic frequency will dispel negativity and call in positive spirits. We all need some positivity, let me tell you, because there's too much negative going on. This is valued at $25, and you can get this probably from Goddess Provisions. They do sell individual items on their site as well, if you would like to just check out individual items instead of going straight to a subscription. But I'm sure they do sell this then, or at least maybe they will soon after this month is all done. But they'll probably have this on their site as well. So there's that for $25. Each bite nourishes my body and feeds my soul. It has like a little sticker on there that says that on there. And then you open this up, and it is a bamboo cutlery set. Cast a spell on your food. Cast a spell on your food with these magical utensils. Conjure up an image of health as you gaze at your dish and recite the mantra. May this food nourish me in mind, body, and spirit. Valued at $12. So how cute, they have little moon phase on the bottom of each utensil. So you have there's little fuzzies from the bag. So you have a knife, a spoon, and a fork, and it's all made out of bamboo. And then that is so cute down there. It's only on the one side, but that is so cute. I love the moon phase on there. So there's that. And again, this is valued at $12. So now we have something inside here. And is this a pin? Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I'm so glad that this is black, you guys, and not gold. Could have been silver, but this is nice. I like the black on there. It's nice. It says, love and crystals infuse my words. So when you're writing, love from your heart and infused with the crystals from the pin are going to help you write whatever you're writing. That is so cool. So there are crystals that are inside the top of the pin. And then down here is where it says what I read. And then you twist it. Yes, you twist it out and then you can write on it. Let's see, what color is the ink? It is black ink. And then you just twist it back to close it. This says crystal pin. Cast a spell with this pin so your New Year's intentions will manifest with ease. It may look clear, but it's 100% natural rose quartz. That's rose quartz, which carries the frequency of love and compassion. So the goals you jot down will be in your highest and best interest. That is awesome. I like that. And now that it said that, and I read that, I can actually see there is a slight pinkish color to the rose quartz in there. So it's not a clear quartz, that's a rose quartz inside. That is so cool. This is valued at $11. And it doesn't say where this is from, so I'm not sure if this is on Goddess Provisions website as well. I'm not sure, but I love that pin. Okay, you guys, so now what is inside of here? It's another little bag. At first I thought I was grabbing the same bag, but I'm like, no, this one's thinner and longer. But we have something else in here with another card. Okay, so this is a little snuff out like for your candles. Snuffleupagus. It's a candle snuffer. See, I knew I was talking about something. As the flame rests, my intentions manifest. How cute. So this is by Goddess Provisions, and this matches this. So I can keep these together like a little matching set. So they're both the same color and they both have the same design work on there. The hand, the stars, the heart, the eye, the smoking, I'm gonna call it sage, the moon, the crystal ball. That is awesome. So it has a flat top like that for you to hold. That's where you snuff it out. It looked like a black hole until I turned it. You'll snuff it out. So you light it, snuff it out, and you are good to go. That is awesome. And then you can set them on your altar together and they're a matching set. I like that it's a matching set. Like I really, really like that. Okay, so there's a few more items, you guys. We have this right here. It looks kind of like a necklace with this little pocket down here with the moon phase design on it. This says it's a moon magic pouch. Wear this vegan suede talisman when gathering supplies that speak to your inner sorcerers. After the ritual, tuck your favorite crystals, dried herbs, and token inside to carry the magic close to your heart. Valued at $13. So whenever you do that, you just drop whatever you want down inside of here, and then you can kind of close it up, wear it around, so whatever you're doing will be close to you. That's actually really neat, and I like the moon phase on there. So there is that, and again, this is valued at $13. So now we have, this is a spell work for self-care. 40 spells to soothe the spirits. And that's what it looks like. Beautiful colors, beautiful artwork. Here's the back. This right here says Spell for Self-Care Guidebook. Infuse your self-care routine with a little magic. This magical guidebook includes 40 simple spells to soothe the spirit and honor the divine within and around you. This can be purchased from, it says at Clark's on Porter, ClarksonPotter. And this is valued for $11.11. Isn't 1111 like a good number? Am I right? Isn't it 4 ones is supposed to be like a good number? Because that's weird that this is $11.11, like 11.11. That's a weird number. But so you can flip through this book and it'll go over the 40 different spells. It is all colored inside as well. That's a really nice book. And they're numbered and they're supposed to be all simple spell work. So you have this book. I don't ever want to stop learning. So I'm really glad that they do give us all of these little books, because anytime I can sit down, grab one, read up on it, learn new things, and I'm good to go. So I really like getting books. And this is valued for, what is it again? $11.11. That's just such a weird number. So the last item in the box is going to be the crystal. We always get one crystal for the month. Let me remove the plastic. Okay, so this month, ooh, that is gorgeous. This is called a Leopard Jasper. I can see the leopard with all the little spots on there. Yeah, let me go get that. Okay, let's try this one more time. So Here is the Leopard Jasper. This powerful stone will put you under a spell knowing you are whole and complete. Known as the Supreme Nurturer, it helps to attract harmonious vibrations in support of your personal growth. And again, valued for $4. So there's that. And then the last thing that's included in this month, but it's not in the box, it's a digital bonus. This month's digital bonus is valued at $10, and it says, discover the craft of making your own magic symbols and learn how to use them and manifest your desires. So it gives you all the information on where to download, so you can download that digital bonus valued at $10. So the grand total for this month with everything added up, including that $10 digital downloaded bonus, will be right here. This will be this month's total retail value for everything for this month. Going over it really quick, we have the Spell Work Self-Care book. We have this little pouch that you can wear your crystals or whichever close to your heart. You have the Leopard Jasper. You have these two things, which I think these are just beautiful. I really love that those are in here. I love this pin. I love the colors. I like the black, and it just looks really nice and it feels high quality in my hand. And then you have the 3-piece cutlery set with the moons on it as well. Goddess Provisions is back on track. I honestly feel they're finally back doing the damn thing, you guys. What did you think of this month? This is the first time I've been so excited about everything in the box in a little while. So I'm super excited. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's box? What did you think of the items that we received? Are you agreeing with me? Do you think they look like they're finally back on track with everything? A few months they were looking like a little kiddish, and I was getting really disappointed and wanting to cancel. But this box, I feel like they're gonna come right back on. I don't know, but this month I'm loving this particular box, you guys. So I also did purchase, if you guys follow me, you know that I really love my makeup erasers. I felt like this would be the best video to show you because it's kind of like that theme. So I always use my makeup erasers, and the other day like a few weeks ago, I saw that they had a set that had a makeup eraser, a bag, and 2 clips, and it was like the Galaxy. And I'm like, I have to get that. I love the Galaxy, as you can tell. So I ordered it, and I finally just got it in, and I've had it here sitting here waiting for the perfect video to show you guys in case you were interested and you wanted to know. Again, I purchased this from Makeup Eraser directly, and it came in this little bag. Now you pull this off. Here is the pouch, and I think this is really a cute bag. It even has a star as the zipper pull. Oh my gosh, I haven't opened this yet, so we're finding this out together. This is a really nice feel. Like, this bag feels so nice and soft. It's like I don't know how you're gonna see, but this is a nice soft plush fabric. It does say makeup eraser on their tag here. So when we open it up, pulling the star zipper, we do have a few things inside. So we have the makeup eraser, and then we have the clips. That is everything. So this bag you can just really use for anything. Just love the way that looks with the Galaxy and the stars. It's just, I love that. So the makeup eraser itself is right here. So you have the stars. It's like the Galaxy, and then here's the inside. And then the set of clips that came with it is the moon and the stars. Yes, they are gold, but you guys, it's a moon and the stars, and I guess I'm gonna have to deal with gold. I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but I think these are super cute, and I think they would look really cute in my hair. So I wanted to show you in case you guys do like makeup erasers, or maybe you were planning on buying a makeup eraser. If you're into the Galaxy and stars like I am, this one might be for you, and you get these things and it comes in the bag and everything. So just wanted to show you guys. Now I can actually wash it and use it. If you haven't used a makeup eraser, you need to wash it first. I don't know what magical fibers these are made out of, but it doesn't work unless you wash it first. And then you just keep washing it. I think this says in here equal to 3,600 makeup wipes by using this right here. You save on this. I love that. After a few days, I toss it in my dirty clothes, grab a new fresh one, because I have so many of them, I just keep rotating them. So I love them. So I wanted to show you. So that is everything that I have to tell you about the January Goddess Provisions box, and to let you know about my makeup eraser purchase. You guys comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. If you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, you get 5 to 7 full-size products. Great value, typically between $80 to $100, which sometimes is normally more than that. You get free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. Canadian is $15 and international is $25. This box is $33 per month if you do month to month. Again, it's free shipping for the United States. If you want to go to like a 12-month plan, I think they do 3 and 6. I think I pay 3 months, every 3 months, or it's every 6 months, one of the two. But if you go all the way to 12 months, you can get this box as low as $27.75 per month. And every single box and everything inside is always vegan and cruelty free. You can pause and cancel at any time. And again, you have a mix of 5 to 7 full-size products ranging from crystals, aromatherapy, beauty, spiritual, growth tools, superfood, snacks, teas, that kind of thing. And they're all vegan and cruelty free. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video and then seeing my other purchase and hearing me just talk. So thank you guys so much. Comment down below. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.